and welcome to the Redmi 9! Tan, 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 tan. Okay, so the version that we got here is a carbon gray color. It's a 3GB RAM with 32GB ROM. It comes in two variants. The Redmi 9 comes in two variants. 3GB plus or 3GB RAM and 32GB ROM, and the 4GB RAM and the 64GB ROM. So yan, we're gonna open it up. From what I know, this will be available starting July 7. And the official store of Xiaomi via Lazada, no? And it's gonna be on July 7. It's gonna have a special one-day sale price of less than 500 pesos. Okay, the Redmi 9 is gonna be priced at 6,990 for the 3GB and 7,490 for the 4GB. If you think about it, guys, that is super duper cheap. Okay, so we're gonna open it up now. Okay, I'm a Xiaomi user, of course. If you guys watched, I'm using my Pocophone, the F1. I still don't have funds to buy the second one, so tipid-tipid muna tayo. So inside is this small box, the actual unit, okay, the wall charger, and the Type-C cord. Okay, so we're gonna put it back. We don't need that for our... Okay, so we already have the SIM ejector to skip this step. Okay, limitless. Okay, so we can see the insides of the SIM tray. Okay, okay, it's using it's using a triple SIM tray. That means you can use two nano SIMs and micro SD card, which is very good, because it kind of defeats the purpose if you have a dual SIM tray and then you can only put one SIM and the nano SIM card. Well, that's my opinion. I always like the triple SIM tray. Okay, so we're gonna... Okay, why are you complete? So once you start it up, you need to wait for about a minute or so that it finishes the startup process. Okay, so we're gonna look at I'm gonna show you the storage. Okay, as you can see, there's 32GB of storage. Available is 18 out of the box. Okay, so I guess you'll need to put a micro SD card here, at least around 64 GB. Okay, camera. The 4 cameras in the back, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, is a 13 megapixel wide angle camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera with 118 degrees field of view. It's a 5 megapixel macro camera and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. Okay, so here's the different modes for the photo: ultra wide, okay, normal, and the ×2, which you can still zoom to reach 10 times. 10 times zoom. That's nice. Okay, I can see you, Superman. Okay, the front camera is an 8 megapixel front facing camera. Selfie. Okay, and according to the specs, the body is also has a splash proof nano coating. Okay, in terms of security, as I mentioned earlier, it has the fingerprint sensor and also has a face unlock capabilities, just like the Pocophone. 5020 milliamperes battery, 18 watts wired fast charging. Okay, 10 watts in the box charger. So yun yung nakalagay, no? Both SIM cards are dual 4G. Ang maganda dito, I think they're bringing it back. it's supposed to have an IR blaster. So hanapin natin. Wait, let's look for it. So we're back. As you can see, it's already installed the Mi remote. So you need just to find your own TV, and it's in the tools. Okay. Good thing about this is you can also control your Mi box, which I have. So if you lose your controller, you can still use it. TV setup box, aircon, fans, smart box, AV receiver, DVD player, projector, Chinese satellite TV, and camera. Okay, so we're gonna test it out later. But this is nice because if you guys are old like me, we used to play with the IR blaster. We put a remote control and then change channels of the TV outside the house when you're in a restaurant or something like that.